Hi friends, Sangeeta here and I'm back with another video. So recently I have experienced something which I want to share with you in this video. So I have been suffering from frequent headaches because I wear specs. I'm always not wearing specs in my videos just because of the lighting, because if I wear specs there will be the reflection and the video quality will be worse than this. And I have huge windows before me, so that's the source of lighting I have. It's natural source of lighting. I don't use any artificial lighting in my videos. So whenever I wear specs, or if I'm not wearing specs, specifically when I'm doing videos I don't wear specs, and when I'm at home not all the time do I wear specs. So I suffer from frequent headaches, and which is really problematic for me to deal with it, and I have to use balms. I have been using different kind of balms. We get in India various kinds of balms like Tiger Balm, then there's Jandu Balm and also Amritanjan. All of these I generally use, but recently what I found out was this product. This is Amritanjan Pure Healthy Essence Kick Out Pain. It's a roll on. First of all, I thought it's a roll-on balm, like a stick kind of balm. Then when I bought it, then I found out that this is not a stick kind of balm. This is actually a liquid balm. Now, this has a very nice fragrance with it. It's not kind of a other sticky or greasy balm that we generally use, but this is quite like a liquid balm which is having a good fragrance. And the thing which I wanted to share with you is that I had a breakout on my forehead just here, and I bought it three days back. And when I have been applying this liquid balm on my head, what I found out that I thought that I was a bit skeptic of putting on the breakout, but in the next morning, once I have applied, when I woke up in the next morning, I found out that the breakout I had, it has almost diminished to nothing. And I was really impressed that wow, this not only works as a roll-on balm, but it also works as a healing of these pimple and acne. I live in India, and so we always, in this heat, we always suffer from various kinds of problems, specifically skin problems in this heat. Specifically when we go out in the sun, we have to suffer tan. That's a very common thing, and various kind of skin problems. And so breakout is a very common thing, and I'm really happy and to find out that this amazing thing, that not only this acts as a headache balm but also acts to reduce the pimples or acne or any kind of breakout on the skin. So next day, when I applied it on the forehead for the first day when I was suffering from headache, and then the next day when I found out in the next morning that it has completely diminished, what I did was I had another breakout just here. So I thought of applying it on that also, just for experiment, if it does diminish the size of this one also. And it really does. It's so amazing thing that it really does, and I was really impressed by this. So this is the thing which I wanted to share. I know this is a bit weird, but since I have experienced and this has worked on it, I was really impressed by this product, so I wanted to share it with you. And let me tell you about this product, about its composition. It contains pudina ka phool, karpoor powder, gandhapura tel, and perfume liquid base. As I told you, it has a very light fragrance, but a very nice, the fragrance is very nice, not like those greasy balm. And I really liked it. Just for 35 rupees you get 5 ml of this product, and this is very handy. You can keep it in your purse also. This is very sturdy kind of packaging, and it has this roll on. You can just put it on your skin. It's very easy. So this is what I wanted to share with you, because I have experienced something amazing and something very weird. Although it acted on my skin, does not mean that it will act in that way on your skin as well. Really sorry that I cannot share a picture of before and after, so that I can show you how much difference this has made on my skin. I really feel that is the cooling effect for which the breakout has diminished, and I think that if you ever have a breakout, you can give it a try definitely. I'm not sure it's totally going to work on you or not, but you can give it a try definitely. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Facebook and Twitter pages. I will put the links below in the description box, so make sure to follow me there as well. And I will be back soon with another video, but before that, before you are leaving this video, make sure to comment below and tell me what kind of videos you want me to do. And please, if you are watching this video for the first time and you are not my subby, please do subscribe to this channel. That will help me, and I will be also really so thankful to you. So see you then in the next video, and make sure to subscribe. I will be back. Bye. Till then, take care. Bye.